To create GIFs from your photos or pictures in the Samsung A07, you can do that by opening the gallery, and now you have to just simply select every photo that you want to use to create a GIF. So in my case, let's get, for example, these 4 photos. Now click Create in the left bottom corner and select GIF. Then wait for the loading screen. As you can see, that's how it looks on the preview when you click on the play. So that will be our GIF. And what you can do with this one, basically you can copy some photos. So as you can see, I can add 2 copies of the same photo. If I'm gonna add plus, I can go for another photo and use it. Here we can also change some options with the specific aspect ratio. So you can go 4:3, 9:16, or you can also change its speed. And you can add some things, like you can draw, add some text, stickers. That's actually a lot of things that you can put here, like for example this one, and you can put it in the specific place. So if I want to get the sticker only to the half of the GIF, I have to mark this on my timeline. And now if I'll go for the play, this is how it looks. And now I have to click save in the right upper corner, and the GIF was created.